Is your air fryer chicken dry, soggy, or just plain sad? Let's fix that. Today, I'm showing you the only method you need for ridiculously juicy chicken with a skin so crispy you'll hear the crunch. It's easy and it works every time. The air fryer often promises crispy chicken but delivers a soggy, rubbery mess. The secret to fixing this isn't a complex marinade, it's all in the method. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this because they're full of flavor and have that skin we're about to make incredibly crispy. First, and this is the most important step, pat the chicken skin completely bone dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of crispy, so be thorough. Next, the seasoning. In a bowl, mix smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, salt, pepper, and olive oil. The oil helps the spices stick and promotes browning. Toss your dried chicken in the mix until it's fully coated, guaranteeing a level of crispiness you won't believe. Finally, our secret weapon, a tiny pinch of baking powder dusted only on the skin. This raises the skin's pH, guaranteeing a level of crispiness you won't believe. Now let's cook. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees. You want it hot when the chicken goes in. Arrange those thighs in the basket skin side down and give them space. Overcrowding creates steam, not crisp. Cook in batches if you need to. Cook at 380 degrees for 12 minutes with the skin side down. This renders the fat. Then flip the chicken so it's skin side up. Then cook for another 10 to 14 minutes until golden and crispy. Total cook time is 22 to 26 minutes. But to make it truly fail-proof, use a meat thermometer. It must read at least 165 in the thickest part. The result? Listen to that crunch. The skin is deep golden brown, and when you cut it open, it's unbelievably juicy inside. But don't touch it yet. Let that chicken rest for 5 minutes. This is crucial for letting the juices settle back into the meat. So, there you have it. Perfect air fryer chicken. Just remember to get the skin bone dry, use a pinch of baking powder, and trust your meat thermometer. If this method helps you, hit that subscribe button for more chicken tips that actually work. Let me know in the comments if you try it. Now, go enjoy your ridiculously crispy chicken. And if you're hungry for more, check out my recipe for the best chicken wings you've ever had. Thanks for checking out Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.